as it happened in the last years, only so the regulation is not changing, but interpretations and practical guidelines are being updated, proposed, discussed all the time. For example, on one side so practical guidelines. On one side, then we will also have AI Act that we mentioned that will add new complexities on top. But on the other, there is this European health data space topic that is quite hot, let's say, in being discussed, because the GDPR defines the rules, but then it says that every country can define specific additional rules for data reuse in clinical research or using health data. And European health data space wants to relax somehow those rules or clarify and make them accessible also for other players and startups and companies and so on and so forth. We need those silos that are existing in hospitals. We need access to this data for research. They are very precious and they are now kept isolated only in certain complex projects, European projects and so on. You can really motivate enough to get access to this data. So European health data space and relaxing rules on data reuse can be really something very important at the European level. Those are the two main things that we see. There will be GDPR certifications popping up in the next future. For example, if you are DTX and if you target German market as a DIGA or DVG is the law in Germany, you already need to get ready for with GDPR certification by August, if I'm not mistaken. There is a deadline by which you need to have GDPR certification. The problem with GDPR certifications is that there is only one scheme currently recognized by European Data Protection Board. The scheme is called Europrivacy. But the question is how many notified bodies and certification and consultants will be ready to assist companies in getting that. So we can help companies to get that, but then we need to find a notified body that can audit them by that time.